Ready for the day, bitches. Let's change. I am finally ready. Just check this. Actually, ऐसे नहीं ऐसे. Still, I have to wear shoes, but मेरे को भी backpack करना है. Studious girl. Bad eyesight. पढ़ के ही हुई है. No matter what my mother says कि मैं फ़ोन चलाती थी रात को. Do I have pens? New lip gloss bag is also packed. Actually मैं आजकल aesthetic हो रही हूँ and मैं wired earphones पहनती हूँ for a very Sonam Kapoor in Delhi 6 aesthetic. Everything can wait. पर मेरे बैग के अंदर मैं जितने स्नैक्स लेके चल रही हूँ ना इसलिए कोई ज़रूरत है नहीं ऐसे इतने स्नैक्स लेके चलने की. Do I or do I not have time to blow dry my hair? अगर 9:32 से कम हो रहे होंगे 33 से तो I will. It's 28 which is and anyways it's never too late to blow dry. In this episode of Will I be late because I was doing my hair? यार मेरे को मेरे बाल भी लाल करने हैं, काले हो रहे हैं, लोगों को लगेगा मैं डेड वेडिंग हूँ. I think I should put in an effort and for once blow dry my whole head of hair. पर that day won't be right now. आके करूँगी. First day after vacations लगता ही है ये भी करूँगी वो. I am someone जिसे बहुत ठंड लगती है तो I will carry another layer just in case क्लास के AC तेज है या हवा चलने लगे. Let's go bitches. If you know me you know this jacket. इतना मैं इसको पहनती हूँ. I have two of them. The same jacket, not even a different color, different brand. This time back I'm trying to be more organized with my stuff. So I put everything in hangers. जब first time I came to college तो मैं रोज़ lenses लगाती थी. Whenever I make a friend and get close enough with them I ask them कि when you picture me, when you imagine me, do you imagine me with glasses or without? And if कोई भी इंसान बोलता है do you imagine me with glasses? So I don't wear my glasses for the next month. Only lenses for me every day. But अभी नहीं. Suitcase is still lying. We will fix it later. अब मैं क्लास जाऊँगा मैं गृहस्थी संभालूँ मैं यहाँ पे. Also मेरे को लगता है एक in my head जब तक मैं अपने टॉयज़ को बिठाती नहीं हूँ वो जगते नहीं हैं. तो I will wake them up. Now my kids are up and now I will leave. I'm starting to think मेरी life बहुत mundane है to share in a vlog. I used to think कि मेरे से ज़्यादा exciting तो कोई नहीं है. I still do. बट मेरे को लगता है कॉलेज में मेरी एक रूटीन है जो रोज़ कोई क्यों देखना चाहे. Like I get ready, I go to class, I give you guys a fit check in this mirror. Okay, bye. Let's start. Yes, people think I'm a freak. I'll turn this camera off. I'll see you in the class or maybe after class. Also, my camera battery is dying. Actually, we were very late in class, like 5 minutes. Very hotel. And we were still inside. मुझे तो नहीं था कि हमें मिलेगा हम जाने को.
प्राइस टाइम जो है जब तक 100% पहुंचेगा वो टाइम.
Second class just manifesting class cancelling. Actually manifestation did get succeeded. class got cancelled. Still one more to go. Not manifesting it to be cancelled. First day of going back to college, and when I got back from my classes, I was feeling so depressed. So what did I do? Did I meditate? Did I talk to a friend? Did I eat good food and made myself feel better? No, because I'm insane. I did makeup. I'll show clearly light chala ke. I did my makeup because I thought it would make me feel better. And guess what, bitches, it did. But the girls that get it, get it. अब मैं इतना eyeliner ठोक के क्या करूँ? My father says studying is the most easy task there is on this planet. But why does it not feel like it, Papa? 10 दिन बाद किताबें उठाओ क्लास में जाओ ना, वैसी फट जाती है कि ये क्या हो रहा है. But we will get back at it एक आध दिन में. And we'll study daily. Academic comeback का मेरा प्लान ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है. इस सेमेस्टर भाई का academic comeback हो रहा है. I will kill myself. No, actually I will not. मेरी मम्मी ने मना करा है मेरे को suicide jokes मारने से. Actually this is my spirit animal. Lotto from Toy Story. If you know, you know. मेरा फूल वाला तौलिया. Should I wear Barbie earrings? मेरा ब्याह है क्या कि मैं सामान इकट्ठा करती हूँ ठोकने को अपने ऊपर. और कोई ज़रूरत है नहीं मेरे को ऐसे गोल्डन हूप्स लगा के. I don't have any more classes. बाकी क्लासेस आज की कैंसिल हो गई. सुबह की भी कोई कैंसिल हो गई थी एक तो. बट वी वेटेड क्योंकि अगर मैं कमरे में चली जाती तो मैं नहीं आती फिर एक ही लेक्चर के लिए. I need to get more ear piercings. मेरी फीड पर एक पियर्सिंग वाला स्टोर आ रहा है बार बार ऐसे मुंबई में, जो ऐसे बैडीज़ की पियर्सिंग करता है, जैसे AJ पियर्सिंग एंड टैटूज करके. सो आई वांट टू गेट पियर्स्ड एंड अ टैटू देयर. इट्स आई थिंक 4:30 PM. मेरा कोई आगे का सिलेबस नहीं हुआ है कि मैं पढूं. अगर मैं अब सो गई तो मैं कल नहीं उठ पाऊँगी क्लासेस के लिए, तो मैं सो भी नहीं सकती. I edited one of my YouTube video and posted it, so I don't think I have much to do. So I did my makeup. Thanks. And if you're also depressed to go back to a college that you chose, to do a degree that you chose, then don't kill yourself, is what I've been telling myself, and is what I'll give advice to someone who's also in the same situation as me, because I think they say it gets better. This is all I've heard ever since I passed 9th grade, that 10th के बाद it will get better, 12th के बाद it will get better, once you get into college it will get better, first year के बाद it gets better. I'm currently in my second year and I don't know if it gets any better ever, but we hope. This is to not unaliving ourselves, क्योंकि मेरे को लगता है इसे YouTube की लिंक को कॉप वो डाल देता है कुछ उसमें कि बोल नहीं सकते कि मैं तो मास होमिसाइड प्रमोट करूँगी जैसे. ओके, थैंक्स फॉर लिसनिंग टू माई कार्तिक आर्यन ass monologue. Except it's not about hating women, but about hating my life. My life can be messy, but my eyeliner can't. मेसी के नाम पे क्या है मेरी लाइफ में भाई. मैं बिल्कुल, मेरे को लगता है मेरे ना सुपरफिशियल इसके फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड प्रॉब्लम्स हैं बहुत ज़्यादा. बट रादर दैन laying in my bed scrolling reels and getting more depressed, I will get up and do something. And if it's vlog worthy, I'll obviously vlog it, because making content is my favorite hobby. Because I not to fail, because I don't have a real hobby yet. I think I should start playing tennis. A, cute outfits. B, sport. What more do you need from life? Okay, thanks, bye. I will go get ice cream or coffee so that I regain my will to live. If any one of you also wants to kill themselves, then just go get a coffee and it gets better. Especially if you listen to music and scroll Pinterest during. Okay, bye. New vlogs coming very soon. I'm standing on one leg. See? Actually, yoga, asana, girl, healthy lifestyle, bitches. You can't relate, I know, because I am Jyotish. Okay, bye.
जब मुझे on the best, it's me I guess. जब मुझे